Stocks in the Future is a financial literacy program that works in middle school, and we have a concentration on investing because we like to make the parallel with the students of making a financial investment and also taking an investment in themselves.
It's different from my other classes in school because we get a lot more engaged.
What makes investing exciting is that it would gradually grow as we grow.
So today we have a group of students from Waverly Middle School, and they're at the T. Rowe Price Finance Lab at Towson University on a field trip.
You know, I think it's very important to have Stocks in the Future in my school at Waverly. They're learning financial skills that a lot of people don't learn until they're in college.
The SIF dollars, we earn those when we're getting good grades in reading and math for perfect attendance.
If I get, let's say, a 90 on my math quiz, I would earn dollars, SIF dollars, off of that. So that would make me want to continue to study and work hard in my class.
I'm really proud to say that our school's attendance rate is 97%. And I definitely don't take credit for that in and of itself or by myself. Because we have Stocks in the Future, because those incentives are in place, students are seeing rewards very much like we do as adults.
There's an incentive for them to do well, and it's a financial incentive. It's amazing. What child wouldn't want that?
I feel that I've probably earned a good amount of SIF dollars so far. Because the stocks are down right now, it will give me a chance to purchase some stocks that are at a low price.
So they're purchasing real stocks. It's about a choice of 8 to 10 stocks such as Disney, Ford, EA Sports, Facebook, a lot of companies that the students can relate to and are excited to learn about.
We're learning about mutual funds, bonds.
My favorite thing I've learned in Stocks in the Future this year would be about the blue chip stock.
These are things I didn't even learn about until I was in college, and now here I am doing this for a living. And I just thought back and what a wonderful impact it could have been if I had this exposure when I was in high school, much less in middle school.
Having guest speakers come who are in the industry, who are intimately aware of the work that students are learning about, really helps us to build a bridge between the theory and the application of the knowledge.
The real value is actually watching those light bulbs go off in their head and it all starts to click, and that they get excited about the potential of investing and saving money.
Now to date, we are working with 18 schools with about 900 students in the program in middle school and with over 1,000 students that are in high school watching their portfolio.
Both my son and my daughter came through the Stocks in the Future program from 6th through 8th grade. My daughter is a first-year student in college. She's a freshman, and she recently transferred her stock. And that was a great experience for her to see where she started as a 6th grade student to have an account, in value close to $800–900 now.
We want them to see that we're getting out of this cycle of living day to day. And at the same time, we want students to see themselves as a great investment. They're seeing themselves in the future as young, successful professionals.
Hi everyone, my name is Finance Francis, and today I'm going to teach you all about saving, investing, and my favorite, making money. In this lesson, you will be introduced to the Stocks in the Future program. This program was created especially for you and will teach you about finances and how to use your time right now in order to be successful in the future. I know a lot of what I'm saying right now may sound unfamiliar to you, but don't worry. Soon you'll be on your way to financial literacy and understanding concepts some high school and college students don't even know. Also, by coming to school every day and improving your grades every quarter, you will have the opportunity to earn SIF dollars that you can one day use to invest stocks yourself. How exciting! So let's get started. Each week, we will go over our agenda, objectives, and important vocabulary for each lesson. For the first week, we will begin with a warm-up, teach you guys a little bit more about the SIF program and website and how it works, do some math to calculate how you can earn a stock of your own, and end with some reflecting on everything you've learned today. By the end of this week, you should all be able to describe the Stocks in the Future program and what you will learn this year, Calculate the total amount of SIF dollars you can earn through regular school attendance and academic achievement, and explain how you will use the Stocks in the Future website throughout the program. Now, let's begin with the warm-up. Take a minute to turn to your partner and discuss these two things. 1, what do you think a stock is? And 2, where have you heard or seen this word before? Now that you have discussed, here are some important vocabulary terms we will be learning first. Follow along with me as I define and explain each term. A stock is a portion or share of ownership in a company. People can pay a small amount, like $10, to invest in a company of their choice. Once they do this, they own a very small part of that company or a stock. A shareholder is a person or corporation who owns a stock in a company. The person in the last example who has paid $10 and now owns a portion of a company or a stock is now a shareholder. A company is a collection of individuals that share a common purpose. Can you think of any companies? Let's use Disney as an example. All the people who work for Disney have the same goal of, say, persuading people to go to Disney World or getting people to buy Disney movies. A profit is the money a company or individual earns. For example, Disney makes many stuffed Mickey Mouse dolls every day, which costs them money. They have to pay for fabric and stuffing that goes into the doll. However, people are also buying these stuffed Mickey Mouses every day. Let's pretend it costs Disney $5 to make one doll, and it costs customers $10 to buy one. Every time they sell a stuffed Mickey, their profit is $5 because they made $10 but had to subtract the $5 it cost to make the doll. The Stocks in the Future program will give you all the opportunity to own a portion of a company such as Disney. Now we will begin learning about the program and how you can earn this opportunity. It is a great honor to be part of the SIF program. Not all students get to be part of it and learn all of the things you will learn. Plus, you have the opportunity to earn real money in the form of stocks. How exciting! Now, think for a few minutes about why you're excited about being in the Stocks in the Future program and discuss it with your fellow classmates. I'm sure you're curious about what is ahead for the rest of the year. Later, or on your own time, you can read through page 1.2 of your workbook to find out all about what you'll be learning in the future. Now, let's talk about how you can begin earning SIF dollars that you can use one day to buy your own stock. There are 2 important things that will help you earn many SIF dollars this year: good attendance and high academic achievement. Turn to page 1.3 in your student workbook. You will use this chart to help keep track of your attendance. Each day that you come to school and participate takes you one step closer to a successful future. Good grades in math and reading will also help you earn SIF dollars. So turn to page 1.4 of your student workbook, and let's start by setting goals for quarter 1 today. Have your teachers help you set goals, and at the end of the quarter, we will record our actual goals on the worksheet and determine how many SIF dollars you earn. When you are finished, complete this activity on page 1.5 of your student workbook with your teacher and your classmates so that you can see exactly how good grades and strong attendance will earn you SIF dollars.
Okay, so for our first math break, we're going to look at how you can earn SIF dollars. The chart in your workbook shows you what you can do to earn SIF dollars each week. Follow along with me and fill out the chart as I go through each part. You earn one SIF dollar each week if you attend school every day that week. At around 9 weeks, that is 9 SIF dollars in 1 quarter. Since there are 4 quarters in 1 year, 9 times 4 equals $36 per year if you come to school every day. You will also earn 1 bonus SIF dollar for having perfect attendance for 1 entire quarter. Times 4 quarters, that is 4 extra SIF dollars in 1 year. You earn 2 SIF dollars each quarter if your reading grade improves. Times 4 quarters, that is 8 SIF dollars a year. You also earn 2 SIF dollars each quarter if your math grade improves, which is another 8 SIF dollars per year. You earn 3 SIF dollars if your reading grade is an A or an A minus. and 2 SIF dollars if it is a B or a B minus. 4/4 of an A or A minus in reading will equal 12 SIF dollars for the year, or 4/4 of a B or a B minus in reading will equal 8 SIF dollars for the year. You also earn 3 SIF dollars if your math grade is an A or an A minus, and 2 SIF dollars if it is a B or a B minus. 4/4 of an A or A minus in math will equal 12 SIF dollars for the year, or 4/4 of a B or a B minus in math will equal 8 SIF dollars for the year. All of that added together means you can earn anywhere from 18 to 20 SIF dollars in 1/4, or up to 72 or 80 SIF dollars in 1 year. That's a lot of money. Now let's answer questions 1 through 3 at the bottom. What is the highest total amount of SIF dollars you can earn in 1/4? Well, we calculated that, and the answer is $18 to $20, depending on the amount of weeks in that particular quarter. So if a student has 6 weeks of perfect attendance during a quarter, how many SIF dollars will she or he earn? Well, we said earlier that you earn 1 SIF dollar each week if you attend school every day that week. So that would equal $6 for those 6 weeks. Finally, if a student earns an A in math and a B in reading during the first quarter, how many SIF dollars will she or he earn? Well, an A would earn him or her $3, and a B would be $2. So $3 plus $2 will add up to $5 for the quarter.
Hi again. This website is a tool you'll be using throughout the SIF program. If you like, you can write it down and check it out a little later. It will be important for you to become familiar with different parts of the site as the year goes on. But today, we are just previewing the different ways we will use it this year. This year, you will use the SIF website to log into your unique and personal homepage, record your attendance each week, read news and updates about stocks in the SIF program, and learn about companies as you get ready to buy stocks. Looks like it's time to wrap things up. After this lesson, you will work with your teachers to write a letter to a parent or guardian about what you learned today and what part of SIF you're most excited about. Then attach it to the contact form in page 1.6 of your student workbook and work with a parent or guardian to fill it out. Just be sure to bring it back before lesson 3. Thanks for tuning in today. I enjoyed teaching you all about the Stocks in the Future program, and I'm excited for you all to learn even more in the future.